Night, honey.
Night.
Hello, Rene.
Michael, get out of here.
I just want to talk, please.
No, I'm calling the police.
I want you to give it a chance. Why can't you see we're good for each other?
Get out. Get out. Get out.
I love you, Rene.
It didn't even feel like me. I completely lost it.
Maybe you needed to. Nobody can keep fear bottled up so tight it never comes out. Nobody's that strong.
I can't afford to fall apart, M.E.
Why? You are allowed to be scared sometimes, Rene. You are allowed to not be in total control all the time.
At least you have a man in the house.
You're right. The 5th Brigade could come marching through our bedroom and Colliar would never wake up. Now listen, you want me to come over there?
Mm-mm. I'm fine.
Are you gonna go to the police on us?
Eventually. It's still my word against his.
This is just unbelievable. I mean, what are you supposed to do?
I've done it. Wait for something worse to happen, I guess.
Mama! Mama? 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 Are you okay?
No, baby. I'm afraid I have some bad news.
Is it Daddy? Did something happen to him?
No, honey, your dad is fine. That was him who called. Come here. It's our friend, Ned Galvez. He was killed last night. Shot. Right outside his own home. Merle and the kids right inside. It was the Klan that did it. Honey, I've been thinking about what you saw last night. And it's better we just let it alone.
You're not gonna call the police?
No, honey.
Shouldn't M.E.'s uncle be punished for what he's going to do? Shouldn't the police stop him before he does it?
The law doesn't protect people like us equally. This is especially true when it's a little girl's word against a sheriff. Do you understand that?
That's not very fair.
No, it isn't. But it's the way of the world.
So there's no one who can punish M.E.'s uncle.
No, but I know her, baby. No, but I know. Your father didn't believe in violence. You know that. But your uncle gave me this. For the times when he was away. For when the world got dangerous. It's dangerous now, Rene. I can't. Ordinarily, I couldn't either, but Rene, honey.
Mama? Mama, where's the photograph?
What you talking about?
The one of me in the 6th grade, the one in the silver frame, the one that always sits here.
I don't know.
He stole that photo from our home. That's burglary.
No, I thought this was about him breaking the restraining order.
That's a misdemeanor combined with burglary and stalking. That's a felony. He'll do time.
A framed photograph. Now, that's going to be tough to get a judge to issue a search warrant.
Try. I guarantee you'll find that picture in his house.
Well, I'll do what I can, but he could always get off with possession of stolen goods charge.
No jury is going to believe that he bought that photo in a pawn shop, Detective.
Maybe not, but the system makes bargains.
We have this man dead to rights. Is there a problem here?
I'm sorry. I don't mean to discourage you, but I know guys like this. They become even more obsessed when the object of their affection sends them to jail. Now, I have seen it happen.
Then what the hell else am I supposed to do? Let him dictate my life until he gets bored with it? He has committed a crime. If the law can't offer me any protection, any sense of what's right, then what am I doing in it?
All right. All right. If we find what we're looking for, he will be brought in today and he will be arraigned tomorrow.
I'll be there.
No, you don't have to be.
Oh, yes, I do.
This is a dumb idea. Why'd I let you talk me into it? It's because Grandma Otis always keeps our secrets. We can trust her.
Well, here we are. Time for high tea with my high society lady friends. Ooh.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome, Rene. Now, wasn't it nice of you two to call for a special meeting of our club? Was there any particular reason? Or are you two just in the mood for my tea cakes? What is it, child?
Last night, me and M.E. sneaked out to the carnival.
Well, aren't you terribly adventurous?
But on our way, we saw some men in the woods. They were in the Klan. They said they would burn down any school that a colored went to. Mama said we couldn't call the police because they wouldn't believe us.
That's just ridiculous. I'll call the authorities for you.
Grandma, it was Uncle Jimmy. He's the man who said all that.
Are you sure, child?
Yes, ma'am. I saw his watch and everything.
It was very brave of you girls to tell me this. Very brave. And I promise you, I'll take care of this in the best way I can.
I guess that wasn't so bad.
Jimmy, no part of mine is going to be mixed up with the Klan. If anyone gets hurt by you or your racist friends, so help me God, I'll call President Kennedy myself.
I hope he gets what he deserves.
I knew you couldn't keep away.
I've been waiting for this moment. I plan on enjoying it. What are you doing here?
Well, just in case you didn't think we cared.
All right, next up, People versus Gardner. Are both attorneys present?
Jane Blackman for the people, Your Honor.
Charles Blake for the defense.
So noted. Is the defendant present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gardner, you have been charged with felony breaking and entering, burglary, and stalking. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Your Honor, due to the nature of the charges and for the safety of the alleged victim, we'd ask that the defendant be held without bail.
Your Honor, there is no need for that. My client
Appears to pose a threat. Trial date will be set for next week. Defendant is to be held without bail until that time. Next.